Hey everyone, okay, so I'm off out in a second. So my skin is tanned from a fake tan. So I'm going to do really quick, show you how quick things can be, just to look better. So a few drops of this RMS oil. I love this stuff. It's a really nice prep for the skin. It smells heavenly. So I'm going to use this palette here, which I created. So I'm going to take the foundation here and I'm just going to apply this mainly to the inner kind of portions of the face. And I'm just going to blend that in. It's a pretty good match, but it's a touch lighter. And I just want to draw some attention to the inner portions of the face. And just over the nose. Because it's just a little bit of light here. Anything that's left, I'm just feathering out. So next up, I'm going to take this one here, which is a bronzer. And you can see it's not a million miles away, but it's just enough to add a little bit of depth. And I'm just going to blend that in. Not contouring, just adding a little bit of depth and warmth to the face. Next, I'm going to take this red one here right on the end. And I'm just going to take some of that colour and I'm just going to quite high up here, down the bridge of the nose, and again quite high up, and then just blend it in. Because my skin is quite tanned, it's going to give that really nice flush, like I've been outside and everything is good with the world. Over the nose, again blending it up into the hairline, even if I've got to use my fingers just to move it up and across the bridge of the nose. Now, to make things a little bit more realistic, I'm going to take this product here, which is like a freckle product. It's almost like a brown eyeliner. I'm just going to dot all over my finger little freckle marks. And then I'm going to just dab them over my nose. And you will see that will give me instant freckles. Now, to finish off this look, I'm going to use this product here, which is just a brow sculpting gel. And I'm just going to really use it on this outer portion, because that's where it's a bit less sparse. Or a bit more sparse. And to finish off, I'm going to curl the lashes. Ooh, skin. So I'm just going to curl the lashes really quickly, just to open up the eye. And I'm going to use this mascara called 1999, which is basically nothing. It's barely even a tint. But that's why I like it, because for me, I'm able to get the definition of the lashes without it looking like there's anything on there. And that, my friends, is me done. Things look better than they did. And now I'm ready to go out and face the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.